Hi, welcome back to our DL educational channel. Now we are going to learn measurements. In our daily life, we must need to measurements. In different times, different measures we use it. Sometimes need distance, sometimes need mass, sometimes need capacity. So now we are going to learn about a distance. What is the distance? Distance is length. Length definition. Length reference to how long or tall an object is from one end to another. So this is one object. Here this point to here middle what is the length. Now we measure it. So the basic unit of length is meter. We use mostly kilometer, meter, centimeter. In these three, kilometer, meter, centimeter, middle, some parts are there. What are they? Hectometer, decameter, decimeter, centimeter. So now we learn about how is use these measurements. Measures of length. Length definition. Lengths refer to how long or tall an object is from one end to another. So, length, how is refer the length? Starting point to one starting point to another point there is distance. So, this distance is length. Now, we find the object of length. Here, use the scale and measure the length. Then, basic unit of length is meter. Kilometer, meter, millimeter. So, in this lowest measurement is millimeter, highest measurement is kilometer, basic unit is meter. So, in these three measurements, middle there are some measurements are there. So, here we let us see here kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Then here basic is meter, highest is the kilometer, lowest is the millimeter. Then one measurement to another measurement, there is 10 difference. From every two measurements, middle there is 10 difference. Kilometer to hectometer 10, hectometer to decameter 10. For one to another, every between two measurements there is 10 difference. So 1 kilometer 10 hectometers. 1 hectometer equal to 10 decameter. 1 decameter equal to 10 meter. 1 meter equal to 10 decimeters. 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeters. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So whenever change the highest to lowest, then multiply with how much difference is there. 10 difference is there, multiply with the 10. 100 different is there, multiply with 200. So 1 kilometer, for example, 1 kilometer, how many decameters? 1 kilometer to decameter, how much difference? Here to here 1, here to here 1. 10, 10, 100. 1 10, second 10, 2 tens. 10 10, 100. 2 tens are difference. So 10 tens are 100. 1 kilometer equal to 100 decameter. For example, 1 kilometer, how many meters? Here how much difference? 10, 10, 10. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. 1 kilometer, 1000 meters. Okay. Now, lowest to highest. Lowest to highest. 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeters. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 10 decameters. 1 decameter equal to 1 by 10 meters. 1 meter equal to 10 by 1 by 10 decameter. 1 decameter equal to 1 by 10 hectometer. 1 hectometer equal to 1 by 10 kilometer. Lowest to highest, then we divide. Lowest measurement to highest measurement, whenever we convert, then divide. If convert to highest to lowest, then multiply. Multiply with 10. So what is the difference? One to another. How much difference is there? Multiply with those tens. Okay, now 1 kilometer 10 hectometer. 1 hectometer 10 decameter. 1 decameter equal to 10 meters. 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. 1 decimeter equal to 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeters. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. So this is difference. 1 millimeter equal to 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeters. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 10 decameter. Decimeter. 1 decimeter equal to 1 by 10 meters. 1 meter equal to 1 by 10 decameter. 1 decameter equal to 1 by 10 hectometer. 1 hectometer equal to 1 hectometer equal to 1 by 10 kilometer. So lowest to highest, divide. Highest to lowest, multiply. For example, we want 1 kilometer dash decameter. Dash decameter. Then 1 kilometer to decameter. 1 kilometer to decameter. So highest to lowest. Then what is the difference? 1, 2. 2 difference. 10, 10, 100. 10 tens are 100. 100. 2 tens difference. So 10 tens are 100. 1 kilometer, 100 decameters. So 1 meter equal to dash millimeter. 1 meter equal to dash millimeter. 1 meter equal to dash millimeters. Here to here, how much difference? So 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. Okay, 1 millimeter equal to 1000. 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeters. Meter to here 10. Inkoka 10. Here 10. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So for example, 1 centimeter to 1 millimeter. 1 centimeter to dash millimeters. Dash millimeters. 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter to millimeter, how much difference? 10 difference. So 10 millimeter. Multiply with 10. Multiply with 10. So here, lowest to highest division. For example, 1 millimeter convert into meter. How much difference here to here 10, here 10, here 10. Any tens difference? 1, 2, 3. 1000. 1000 difference. 1 millimeter to meter 1000. 1 centimeter to decimeter. 1 centimeter, how many decimeters? So 10 difference. 1 by 10. 1 centimeter equal to how many meters? Here to here 10, here to here 10. 10 tens are 100. 1 centimeter equal to 100 meter. 1 meter equal to dash kilometer. 1 meter equal to dash kilometer. Here to 10, here 10, here 10. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. Okay, understood?